Welcome back to Sport Bike Menace. We're just going to see how downtown is like right now since it was nice out yesterday. It's kind of chilly tonight though. Just going to see if it's like kind of a lot of people out or none. It's pretty chilly outside, I doubt it. It was nicer out earlier, but I was lazy. I'll admit it. And then out of nowhere, I was like, you know what? I'm taking my bike out. And it was late at night. Well, dark time now. So a little bit of light out. But yeah, I'm just taking a quick ride. And if that ain't nothing, I'm going home. But might as well act up a little bit. Definitely gotta be careful with popos out though. I'm wearing boots today and I'm not doing it ever again, not with these rear sets. It's so uncomfortable. I can't find a pocket to put my foot in to shift up or to even keep my foot comfortable. There's a couple people out. It gets really wild here in the springtime, and I'll show you the bars that get really wild. You got this corner shop right here on the left side. That gets a little packed there. And then there used to be a club right here. I don't know if it's still there. Yeah, it's not there. I guess they took that out. And then there's the one right here is a Tally Ho. That's a gay bar or a gay club for gay, well, guys and girls who are gay. So they got the Tally Ho. And then I'll show you another one in towards downtown that gets really packed. And trying to remember what it is it's a Irish pub. That's what it is. Now that gets packed. Really, really packed. Out of all the clubs around here in Lancaster City, that's the one that gets packed the most. Pretty fast where you guys can't see nothing, but it's pretty boring other than, you know, towards the downtown. Yeah, that's a big no-no. You're like half in the middle of the street. But yeah, the Irish pub should be packed right now. Or should be a line outside. Usually there's always a line outside. And then you gotta be careful with people walking across the street, because they're half twisted, meaning drunk. And they don't care. They want to die to that day. But I haven't heard too much drama out of that club though, or that bar. Now there's another one that it's hard to show you because it's in a cutaway. I'm trying to remember what it's called. And it's a dance club, and there's always fights and gunshots after everybody leaves the club. So I'm trying to remember the name of it though. I think it's the Village. I think that's what it's called, the Village. Don't quote me on that. And we have the Chameleon. The Chameleon sometimes like wearing a blue moon, I guess, into a fight. But there's a couple dance clubs. We used to have Mambo. That was a Spanish club. They shut that down because too much fights and too much gunshots and people dying. There was another club way back in the days. It's called Miguel's. Miguel's, everybody who was born and raised here knows about Miguel's. Notorious for people selling drugs in the clubs. If you were born here, you was conceived in Miguel's. That's where everybody went at. And that got shut down eventually too. Fights and all that. Yeah, it's just the biggest problem here is people don't know how to act once they get out of the clubs. That's why I don't even bother going. For what? So I can get into a fight? So I can get shot? Trying to enjoy my day? See? Downtown is not bad. I mean, there's people out. Even though it's chilly. Yeah, there you go. So there's some people out. A bicycle. Rent roller. There you go, rent roller. That's the bike life right there. So we got bike life over here. And oh, the cops are messing with them. Oh, that's crazy. Security, but whatever they're called, they drive around in like securities. Oh, I just passed the club. Damn, see, that's what I get for going fast. But yeah, I just passed the Irish pub. That's all the way down there. But yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, even though it's kind of chilly out and it's nighttime. Well, usually at nighttime is when it really pops off in downtown. It gets pretty wild. You don't even want to ride your motorcycle there because people get stupid. And then once we get into the hood, it'll be dead. Now if it was hotter out, then it'll be alive, but right now it's just kind of chilly out. Most likely there ain't nobody out. And if they are out, they're in their cars doing burnouts, listening to loud music. But yeah, that's a little small city. It gets bad when it starts getting really hot out. They do the first Friday, and they lock down downtown, and they have food vendors and clothes vendors and all that stuff, and it gets stupid. Yeah, I'm going home. Other than that, you guys saw what it was. And then you see over here, it's all dark and depressed. And people double parking with no turn signal, no nothing. But yeah, we got corner stores everywhere too. And again, for being a small city, that ain't bad. Everything's like walking distance. But yeah, I'm going home. I had my fun. And there was a cop right there too. Alright, he's gonna try to pull me over. Can't do nothing now, I parked. Yeah, he kept on going. Alright, everybody, I just saved a bullet there because I ate the stop sign in front of the cop. And I parked the bike just in time. So everybody, ride safe, stay warm. I'll catch you guys on the next video.